Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be good. Now today I will deliver the lecture number 14 of English for class nursery, and the topic of the lecture is letter L, reading plus writing. In the previous lecture we have learnt about the letter K, so today we will do the next letter. Okay, now what comes after letter K? Yes, which letter is this? Good, this is L. This is letter L. This is small l. This is a lower case. And the sound of this letter is, yes, do you know about the sound of this letter? Yes, okay, I will tell you. The sound of this letter is L, 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 L. Yes. Yeah, L has a sound like L, L, L. Yes. Okay. What begins with this letter? Yes, here you can see the first picture for this letter. Yes, these are lemons. Okay. L, L, lemons. L, L, lemons. L is the first letter in lemons. Okay. Now next. Yes, this is a lamp. Okay, L, L, lamp. L is the first letter in lamp. L, L, lamp. Okay, now come to the next picture. Yes, this is a lion. Yes, and L, L, lion. L is the first letter in lion. Okay, L, L, lion. Okay, now next is, yes, leaf. This is a leaf, so L, leaf. L, leaf. L is the first letter in leaf. L, leaf. Okay, great. Okay, this is small l, and the sound of this letter is L. Yes, good. L, 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 L. It has a little bit funny sound like L, 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 L. Okay, now get ready for the next part. This part is about instructions for writing. Okay, for this, first of all, I will trace this letter, this small l, in front of you on a line pattern. Okay, now for this, first I will start from this dot like this, and now come down, join the dots in proper way like this. First I will make a straight line and touch the base line, and here I will make a little tail or a little loop. Yes, this is small l. It should be in upper three lines, top, middle and base. Okay, now here I will again write letter L, small l, without dots. Okay, for this I will start from the top line for small l. Now come down, make a straight line like this and touch the base line, and here I will make a little loop with it. Yes, this is small l and it should be in upper three lines, and the sound of this letter is L, 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 L. Okay, again. Yes, I will start from the top line. Yes, now come down, make a straight line like this and touch the base line, and here I will make a little tail like this. This is small l. It should be in upper three lines. This is a sky letter, and the sound of this letter is L, 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 L. Okay, here I will discuss one thing with you, how you will pronounce the sound of letter L. Okay, for this, first you will fold your tongue inside the mouth and touch the upper part of your mouth. Okay, then you can pronounce the sound of letter L easily. Yes, you should do the practice for this. Okay, the sound of the letter L is L, 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 L. Now it's time for an activity. Yes, now today we will do make the letter and paste the two relevant pictures for the given letter. Okay, for this, first of all, you can see a picture. Wow, yes. What is this? This is a lollipop. Yes. L, lollipop. L is the first letter in lollipop. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I will join these dots for making the letter. So yes. First of all, I will start from this dot like this. Yes, I will join all the dots in proper way like this. Yes. Yes, and now here I will take a little turn for making a tail or a little loop like this. Now next step. Yes, I will make another straight line with the help of these lines. Yes, like this, and here I will make a little curve or a little loop like this. Wow, yes, I have done this. This is letter L. Yes, letter L. L, lollipop. Okay, now for the next step, yes, I will paste two relevant pictures for this letter. So, yes, first, yes, what is in my hand? First picture, yes, wow, this is a lamb. Okay, did you see a lamb? Good. Okay, now I will paste this picture with this letter, with the given letter. Yes, this is a lamb. Okay, now L is the first letter in lamb. L, lamb. L, lamb. Okay, now come to the next picture, and the next picture is, yes, I will show the next picture in front of you. Yes, this is a flower, and the name of this flower is lotus. L, lotus. Okay, now I will paste this picture here. Yes, for letter L. Okay, now L, lotus. L is the first letter in lotus. L, lotus. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Okay, now the lecture has been completed here. Today you will do the letter L on your notebook. Inshallah, we will meet on tomorrow with the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.